Hey, what is up everyone? So for this week we are getting in the Toyota Corolla. So this week what we're gonna go ahead and do is actually try out some of this MAXBOOST from Royal Purple. So in any other words, it's just basically like an octane booster. So it's just a simple octane booster that basically all it's meant to do is if you put like 87 in your car and you're carrying this around, because this is about maybe $11 at an auto store, or even you can find this at Walmart, but yeah, it's just about $11. And say you put 87 and it gives it 30 points, just 3 numbers, meaning that if you put 87 you should be running at least what, 90. The reason why we're gonna try this and not on my car is because on my car I run 91 all the time, and honestly I've already tried out how it feels to drive on 100 and 101 octane, so I don't really need to really test out if it'll work or not. But I would like to try it on this Corolla. So this is my cousin's Corolla and he drives it every single day, and we were supposed to do this video maybe a month ago or so, and every time his tank is like on empty, I'm not around. So this time we got the perfect time, he's on empty, and we're gonna go ahead and try this out. So just going over, why would you really need this MAXBOOST? Really, it's just in case you wanted to try it out, see if it'll work, or you say you don't want to pay for 91, so you pay for 87 and you use this guy, or it's just because at the moment you have this guy sitting around and you don't have enough money to pay for 91. That's probably my only guess why you would do something like this, or in other cases maybe you're running just 91 pump gas but your car is optimized for 93 octane, so maybe you even use this guy to get up to 94 and you're good to go. So you can even use this just as just an octane booster for if you're going to a race event and there's no pump around that gives your exact octane rating. So that's only my best guess. Alright, so now we're at the gas station. As you guys can tell, it's $3.59, and then you go from like $3.99 to almost $4 for this. We're gonna go with the 87 for this car because it's not really much of a big deal. And basically it says that this guy can treat up to 15 to 25 gallons. Well, this is a 13-gallon car. I think it should be fine. It smells pretty bad, but it kind of looks dark as. So I'll put this guy on then. So press it in. Oh, you want to put it in? Okay. So let's get to it. Oh man, dude, what the fuck are we doing? You gonna go back now? You want to stop now? Maybe we can siphon it up. Alrighty. Put some of that 87. Alright, so now it's already all the way in. We put the some gas in here, and honestly it's supposed to also do a lot of you know, like reduce your knocking or pinging, as well as clean your injectors from any deposits. So it's also some, you could also say it does what a like an injector cleaner would do, but it also boosts up the octane rating. So we're gonna make sure that the car runs a little bit first, and you know, he knows, my cousin knows, he just knows it well. All right, so basically we're gonna drive it around for a little bit, and then afterwards when he feels it hit, he'll let us know. So we're coming up to the end of the road here, but you know, I'm gonna ask my cousin, you know, is there any changes that you felt so far with the gas?
Yeah, it's the response a little bit quicker. I just put it to gear and it wants to go, so I guess it's just the fact that Royal Purple just helps it burn more and faster, so it is what it is.
So, like we mentioned, maybe for 87, probably not really a good idea. Just pay 91 and you should feel almost the same difference. Like my other guess was, you know, in case you don't have the right, you know, like if you're tuned to a 93 octane and we don't have like I live in California, you don't have 93 octane. Unless you have like one of these like really rare occasions where you find a gas station that does provide that, then yeah, you're not going to be able to get it. So you use the the MAXBOOST from Royal Purple or any other Octane booster. Mainly, I would go with the Royal Purple, since there's other Octane boosters out there for like $3 or so, but those don't work at all. So yeah, that's basically what I would say on all that. So for in my case, in case I don't want to pay for 100 octane gas for the ST, then I would just go with like a 97, or even if I found 93 octane. There's a gas station that I know of that is actually on my commute, and I've put 101 from there before, so yeah, that would be the only thing. Now the other thing is the ST recently got sponsored by Wickedly Boosted. I will put their website down below on all that. Honestly, I have started to like their products. It's mainly just shirts, t-shirts, glasses, other accessories, but not really anything in car parts in particular. So as this hat as well, that is one of theirs, and honestly we're going to be slapping on the sticker right up front as well. This should end everything for the car. No ST stuff really related. If you guys do want to watch me put the MAXBOOST on the ST and probably try to do 101 octane or even 100 octane, I can definitely do that. Just let me know down on the comments below. If you guys did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys on the next one. Bye.